Good morning parents, good morning children. Welcome back to LKG English class. Children, are you ready to learn two new letters? The first letter we will learn today is G. Here are a few words that begin with the letter G. G for gun. G for grapes. G for glass. Children, in your pathway book on page 8, you have the letter G. Here are a few words for the letter G. G for glass, G for grapes, G for grass, and G for girl. Children, the sound for the letter G is G, G, gun, girl. Repeat after me. G, G. Okay, children? Now, I will teach you how to write the letter G. So, from the red line to the blue line, you will make a big curve. Okay, children? Now, take it up, bring it in a little bit, and on the line, straight line, you will come down again. Okay, children? Okay? You will make a big circle, take it up, take it in a little bit, and then bring it back down on the same line. There shouldn't be any gap. Okay, children? The next letter is the small letter G. Make a round circle on the two blue lines. Okay? From here you make the line down, bring a line down and turn it inwards. Okay? Make a small circle, bring the line down and turn it inwards. Okay, children? Children, the next letter we will learn is the letter H. In your pathway book on page 8, you have the letter H. H for hat, H for house, H for hammer, H for hen. H for heart, H for hut, H for hat, H for hen. Okay, children, these are a few words beginning with the letter H. Children, the sound for the letter H is what is the sound for the letter H? Repeat after me. House, hut. Okay, children, it is a silent sound. Now, I will teach you how to write the letter H. From the red line to the second blue line, you will make a straight line. Okay? Straight line. Make on the first blue line, you will make a small sleeping line, and again from the red line to the blue line, you will make another straight line. Okay, children? A straight line, a small sleeping line, and another straight line. Fine? The next one is small h. From the red line to the second blue line, you will make a straight line. Okay? Then from the blue line, you will make a turn like this way. Okay? And bring the tail out. Okay, children? Take it out straight, bring it down and make a small tail. Okay, children? This is a letter H. Small letter H. Children, in your ABC book, the small letter ABC book, you have on page 14 and 15, you have the letter G, small g. Please complete the pages 14 and 15. You will do it at home. You will also do page 16 and 17. we have learnt G and H. So you will do 14 and 15, 16 and 17. You also have the capital letter ABC book. Again you will do page 14 and 15, the letter G, capital letter G, and 16 and 17 for the letter H. Okay children? Children, now I'm going to teach you a new topic. The name of the topic is what comes after. Children, let us recall a few letters that we have already learnt. Okay? The topic is what comes after. You have a few blanks here and we will write the letter that comes after these letters. Okay? The first one is A, capital A. What comes after A, children? B. This is big A, so you will write big B. Okay children? The next one is big D and small d. So in the blank we will write both the letters, the big letter and the small letter. What comes after D? A, B, C, D, E. So the next letter after D is E. So we will write E, capital E, big E and small e. Okay children? The next one is B. What comes after B children? A, B, C. The letter C comes after B. This is capital B. So you will write capital C. Okay children? The next one is E. Capital E. What comes after E? A, B, C, D, E, F. So we will write capital F. Straight line, a small sleeping line, another sleeping line. Okay children? The next one is small f. What comes after small f? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The letter G comes after F. So we will write small. This is small f. We will write small g. So make a small circle and bring a line down and turn it in. Okay children? The next one is capital G. What comes after capital G? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So we will write capital H. Make a straight line, make a small sleeping line and another straight line. Understood children? Children, now we will learn another new topic. The name of the topic is what comes between. Again, we will recall the letters that we have learnt. The topic is what comes between. There are two letters. We will write the letter that comes between these two letters. Okay? A dash C. What comes between A and C? A, B, C. So here we will write B. This is small a and this is small c. So you will write small b. Okay children? The next one is D dash F. D, E, F. These are two capital letters. So we will write a capital letter here. D, E, F. Next is E dash G. E and G are small letters. What comes between E and G? E, F, G. So these are small letters. We will write F also small. Make a turn, bring it right down, turn it here and make a small sleeping line. Okay children? The next one is F, dash H. What comes between F and H? F, G. Make a C, take it up, bring it in a little bit and bring it back down on the same line. There shouldn't be any gap. Okay children? F, G, H. What comes between C and E? Small letter C and E. C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. So here you will write small d. Make a half circle, make a straight line and bring the tail out. Okay. The next one is B dash D. What comes between B and D? A, B, C, D. So what comes between B and D? C. B and D are capital letters. So here we will write capital letter C. Have you understood nicely children? Children, please practice all these topics at home with your parents, and parents, please visit the school website for the worksheets uploaded. Thank you and have a nice day.